Okay, so I just finished reviewing this video from the spring 24 semester, so I don't think that I need to update anything there. But I did want to do just a brief change or just update for this semester, and I'll make this hopefully short. Is that I have recorded a video for the technical interview sign up process, because I actually have gone over the weekend and not only done that, but also set up the technical interview as far as the way it would work. So I now have a better idea as far as the signups go, so you can check that out. But just know from a scheduling standpoint, once you finish this week, okay, and this is in the content there, then you'll have the ability to review this. That's the same video that you're watching here is in here, but then you'll have the ability to review the sheet and also submit your first and second dates. Remember, do this here. Don't email me. It just is going to make it easier if I do all my communications around the technical interview there. Okay? So again, you can sign up, and again, I think the video here, and that's why I know based on having seen already some of the replies from week 8, there is some nervousness, which is really understandable. Know that if you've done the work in this class, the technical interview should be it will not be anything you haven't seen. You will have seen the things already, but you're right, it's covered a lot of content. So in this video, I do go over more about the schedule of the overview of the course. So know that when I talk about code review here, it's this technical interview. I just changed the name since last semester. The other thing I've done, and this will be the last thing I cover here, is I did go through and I updated the ICA, the interactive chat Canvas assignment, to accommodate more topics. And so it's still here. I've added topics in here. Now, the thing I want you to know when you're looking at this is there's a couple things. The chat itself still works the same way, but we have now implemented, developed into the chat the ability to copy and paste. Where you couldn't copy and paste before, you can do Control Enter if you do want to have a longer line, but you can also, this wouldn't be, but you can copy and paste. But the idea would be if you're coding in something like you're more used to coding in VS Code, which I know for myself I am, right? But the idea here is just to see how well you, and in general, these are just good topics to see how well you can answer basic questions. I'm not going to use it for any kind of grading. I will see the discussion. The reason I see the discussion is to really see how well my prompt is working based on the way I've set it up. But really, and again, I almost didn't want to put this out because I didn't want you to think that every bit of this was going to be on there. But having a basic understanding of how to, handle arrays, how to handle objects, how to write an if statement, right? How to loop, that's an important thing to do. You can see all the loops here, the logic, right? Being able to update the DOM, how to update the DOM. What is an event listener? What's a callback? Just having some of that basic, again, we're not going advanced. We're just really seeing how well have you translated what we've gone over so far. Okay, so that has been updated. And so now what you want to do is go check out that video that I produced last semester, and because it talks about how the weight changes, and that just know that unlike what gets talked about in the future, the technical interview sign up is available at the end of the week. Okay, talk to you later.